looks like a tornado. They don't call them that anymore.
Matt Lauer, along with Savannah Guthrie, the Today Show reporting live now from Washington, D.C., following the violent storm that devastated this capital area yesterday. The Washington Monument, the White House, not far from where we are right now, both destroyed by the worst Sharknado this country has seen since the first formation 2 years ago.
Can it do that? Looks like the roads have changed.